people, una welcome back to my channel today. Phyna don't come out come say no to marriage after she see a man beat up his wife for public, and also Neo da Silva wey be say be Ceec ex-boyfriend that time for BB Naija, im don dey do a white wedding very soon. And lastly, Multichoice don enter better woto with federal government. So sometime last year, Leo da Silva come out to come do a traditional wedding out of the blue, and they get a lot of congratulations. Why they get a lot of congratulations, then Ceec they get backlash from fans where we say they drag her. I don't drop this video about the wedding last year for my page before. BBN fans they actually claim say two of them date that time after the show, which is very true, but some her fans now still great to say they did, because all of us did that time. We say Ceec come out, come do live in video with Leo, as at that time we say they do lovey they kiss, all those type of things. Are you telling me that was drama? There is no shame if she actually dates Neo and the relationship no work. A lot of us for this life don't date people where we say the thing no work, where we say we no later marry. That's just how life works. Everybody they lucky to meet a guy or meet a woman where we say go be a soulmate from day one. So Leo come out, come put out a wedding photo shoot where we say he and his wife snap. So these are the pictures. They look so beautiful. The girl is just so fine. I don't know. I want to describe this beautiful girl. I think she's from Kaduna also. So Leo come out, come say Genesis 2 verse 24. Come put hashtag Masiva. Read Bible talk to say for there, talk to say a man go leave his mama, leave his papa, go come dey united to a wife, and they go become one. So as Neo dropped that statement, fans continue to dey drag Ceec again after they don't drag her few months ago when the guy do traditional wedding. Now this her a white wedding photo shoot when he do now, they won't start to dey drag the girl again. So the person come say congratulations Leo and your beautiful wife. Come put two love emoji. Come say woman now. Dwarf will be crying now. Chai, I will fresh air in the mud. See how good Neo is looking now compared to when Abuda wanted to finish him with control. Your union is blessed, Sir Neo. Since fans don't they find Ceec mouth, all those type of thing, the girl never talk anything. She just they mind her business. Maybe say they pay. She's actually making a lot of money. Why haters they for internet they cry up and down? The country they in shambles, but that will not concern some people for this country. Their owner just made a come online, come batter. Anyways, congratulations to Leo da Silva and his beautiful wife. Make everybody win in their respective lives. Onto Multichoice wahala with federal government of Nigeria. Few months ago, Multichoice increased all their prices of the packages website they do, from their premium package to compact to the rest of them. They increase everything with ridiculous amount of money. So Nigerians don't they complain since say the thing they too much for them, this type of thing. So the federal government of Nigeria call here the thing, cause make shook him out for the matter. So the Federal Competition and Consumer Protection Tribunal don't come out, come force Multichoice, don't give them order to say make them do 1 month free subscription for all DSTV subscribers and GoTV subscribers dey for inside Nigeria. They can't even still find Multichoice 150 million naira for challenging the jurisdiction of the court. Wetin make they give them that 150 million fine? Now the fact to say they tell Multichoice to say, see make una give Nigerians 1 month free subscription for this kind of high amount of bill wey una force on them. So Multichoice can't respond, can't challenge the team. According to Multichoice, they claim to say they get the right to increase the prices. They challenge the thing where federal government tell them to say the price on put too high. Now that thing I convince federal government, we can't make them give them the fine for challenging them. According to federal government, they claim to say they get the right to challenge anything where gas to do with commercial activities aimed at making profits for Nigeria. But some Nigerians don't come out to come talk about the matter. Some of them they claim to say it no make sense, say government go shook him out for waiting Multichoice do. After all, Multichoice na a personal business, no be say na our own for Nigeria. Now this is the waiting to some of them they talk. The first person here say this Multichoice issue is annoying How do you decide for a company what to charge on a service that is not essential? The best you can do is further liberalize the market, make busy environment more friendly for both existing players and new entrants. Now, I say I still don't see any service in the same business with Multichoice that can give the quality of service they give. No matter how Nigerians complain about them, where is the competition? Where is High TV and others? Their dishes have been sold to aluminium condemn. The truth be safe, we check and wear. Nobody really, a lot of people not really watch GSTV anymore. Because of the outrageous amount wey be say they put. Let's be honest. And the only time wey be say most people they watch am now when they want, maybe when they want watch Premier League, or when they want watch Big Brother Naija or Real Housewives of Lagos. Now most people they recharge. But I believe to say they not force anybody to actually watch the DSTV or Go TV. Don't subscribe if you not get the money to do one. That now their business. Anybody, like, just as if you now you get shop where say they say something, you can increase your price. When person come, the person not like the price, go another place. So that's it just be. Many prices don't hike for our country here, but nobody they talk about that. How can somebody be buying rice for 8,500, one penta of rice? It makes no sense. There are so many things where we say don't go up for this country. Make government deal with that one first and leave multi-choice aside for the meantime. Let's talk about the basic need of the common man before we go start to the shift go other places. So onto Phyna matter. Phyna don't come out come say no to marriage after she see a woman where we say her husband give better woto for road. She come out for her Twitter handle come say no to marriage, come put cancel's emoji for there. That person come and say, but why? Phyna come say, I just saw a man pana beating his wife and I stopped to join the people already there to help stop the man. But I must say he was a marriage judge. Nobody got hold am. Thing just tire me. I believe wetin Phyna dey try to talk na yes to marriage and no to domestic violence. Coming out to say no to marriage just like that, e go trigger a lot of people. You no fit just to say no to marriage now, because after all, Bible even talk say who findeth a wife findeth a good thing. Just because a lot of failed marriages dey around, e no mean to say your own go fail. Prayer now, everybody prayer suppose be make I marry wisely, make I marry man wey be say they God fearing and all of that. When she make that statement, the thing really vex a lot of people, because according to them, she not suppose talk am the way she dey talk am, because she dey try to discourage people from getting married and they not find the thing funny. The first person here say make Phyna just return my money wey I use take vote for her abeg, which means to say this particular person obviously don dey tired of Phyna. Everyone that leave me. So that one Coco say let's wait when Phyna will be 30 plus and know if she will still say no to marriage. Another one say what did lady do to her husband? So no matter, so because she do something to her husband, the man supposed panic beat am or what? Now wow. I say but you dated someone's husband for 12 years, fat lad. The man will be say Phyna thought say she did for 12 years. It was the man married. Now wow. Believe say na mistake na Phyna make. She won't say no to abusive marriage. No be say she won't say no to marriage. Let's sit on time. As a woman, try marry man wey be say get empathy and wey dey kind. If we say we won't say no to marriage just because we see some failed marriages, that means anytime wey be say, because a lot of people they go work, they go buy for road, maybe say they go hustle, a lot of people don't buy because of money. That means we go still say no to money now. So that's it just be. Just believe to say marriage is a good thing and it go dey good for you. Una take care, una bye.